Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a few more Mother's Day gift ideas for you. This is a mix of luxury and more affordable items, and these are all things that I personally am gifting my own mother and mother-in-law for Mother's Day, or things that I have been gifted for Mother's Day, whether it's from myself or from my husband or from my kids via my husband. Everything I talk about will be linked in the description below, and this video is very generously sponsored by Colleen Rothschild Beauty. I was very fortunate to attend a masterclass with Colleen Rothschild herself. She is a 30-year veteran in the beauty industry and has spent decades in the lab creating and curating a beauty wardrobe. Every single product from Colleen Rothschild Beauty smells amazing and feels great on my skin. Right now, their Friends and Family sale is going on where you can save 25% off site-wide, and this includes their travel and trial kits, which usually don't go on sale. And I want to highlight some of her kits, which I definitely will be gifting my own mom for Mother's Day this year. First up, we have the Discovery Collection, and I love this one because it comes with a very cute black travel case that looks like Chanel. It is quilted, it has the zipper pull right here. The set comes with a face cloth, and all the different products are listed on the back. The Discovery Collection is valued at $150. It usually retails for $95, but during the Friends and Family sale, you get 25% off, bringing it down to $71.25. It comes with generous sizes of the Radiant Cleansing Balm, the Dual Enzyme Polish, the Clarifying Detox Mask, Sheer Renewal Cream, Extreme Recovery Cream, and the Face Oil. Now, what's great about her Discovery Collection is that these pots are meant to be refilled. So once you go through all the products and figure out what works best for your skin, you can go ahead and refill the little pot from the full size. This is the travel size of the Radiant Cleansing Balm that I've been using on my recent trips. This is great for a double cleanse. Once I go through this, I definitely plan to decant the full size version and put it in the little pot to make it a lot more travel friendly. Now, this next set I definitely will be gifting my mom for Mother's Day. The Exploration Collection is valued at $100 and normally retails for $75, but during the Friends and Family sale, you get 25% off, bringing it down to $56.25. Comes with very generous travel sizes of the Balancing Gel Cleanser, Matcha Tea Treatment Toner, Intense Hydrating Mask, Micro Mineral Resurfacing Scrub, and then you get this very cute cotton headband. I love the Matcha Tea Treatment Toner. It smells so refreshing and earthy and clean and luxurious, like I'm in just like the fanciest spa. I think toner is my favorite skincare step because after cleansing, you just apply this on a cotton round and sweep it all over your face and your neck. When you have a really gentle and effective toner like this, you really feel it getting into your pores without stripping your skin. If you plan on traveling anytime soon, the Exploration Collection is great for travel, especially airline travel. This is why I'm gifting it to my mom because she will be traveling here very soon. We were traveling together recently and we spent so many hours on very dry airplanes. So what I love about this set is that it comes with the Intense Hydrating Mask. One of my favorite travel hacks is to make sure you are well hydrated, both internally by drinking water, but also your skin, because the air is like 70% drier than a normal climate. And when you are visiting tropical, humid climates and then going into a very dry airplane, you really need to make sure your skin is well hydrated. So I like to apply the Intense Hydrating Mask all over my face to make sure my skin is moisturized and stays hydrated throughout the flight. Another product I recommend during airplane travel is the Butter Lip Mask. I love lip masks. I don't like to wear any makeup when I'm traveling, but in general, especially lip products, I really stick to lip balm, lip masks, because I also, depending on the airline, you might have to wear a mask still. So I always make sure I have this lip mask in my carry-on. This is it. It's got a separate lid and it smells so good. It smells like cookie butter. It is so smooth. I like to just apply this all day and all throughout my flight. Any excess I have on my finger, I like to rub into my cuticles too. Another travel must-have is a great eye serum. I have been using the Colleen Rothschild Retinol Supreme Eye Serum, and I love this because the applicator has this great cooling angled tip. There is the applicator tip. I use this at home and I stick it in the fridge for an extra like cooling boost, but I always keep this in my carry-on bag because you just squeeze the serum through there, and so that when you apply it, it is so soothing and cooling and depuffing. When you're traveling, especially on a long haul flight, like an overnight flight, they are so drying. I always make sure to pack an eye serum and a lip mask. And then one of her newest sets I wanted to highlight is the Quench and Shine collection. The Quench and Shine Travel Essentials set is valued at $100 and usually retails for $75. With the 25% off during the Friends and Family sale, you can get it for $56.25. It includes the Quench and Shine Restorative Shampoo, Replenish and Shine Daily Conditioner, Quench and Shine Restorative Mask, Smooth and Shine Hair Serum, Protect and Perfect Styling Cream, and the Scalp Massager. And everything is packaged in this clear and very cute Voyager case. I love clear bags for travel I love mesh bags for travel. This is such a cute travel case. And this is also TSA friendly because it's see-through. I always recommend see-through bags for travel because it just makes organizing so much easier. And by the way, if you have not already been using a silicone scalp massager, you should definitely start using one. It's supposed to boost blood circulation and it helps improve hair growth and thickness. And it just is so relaxing. Sometimes I'll just sit and watch TV and massage my scalp. Now, these are just a few of the trial and travel kits that Colleen Rothschild has available. There are a few more options, but these are such a great gift idea for Mother's Day. I definitely will be gifting my own mom, definitely the Exploration collection, because I know she'll love this clear travel bag. And these are such a great value on their own, but because they normally are not included during their sale, it's a great time right now to go ahead and pick them up. Thank you so much, Colleen Rothschild, for sponsoring this portion of the video. Everything I talk about, including all the travel sets and my favorite individual products, will be linked in the description below. And now moving on to fragrance. I can talk about fragrances for hours. I love perfumes, but I'm only going to discuss two this time because I have been wearing these two nonstop for the past few months since I got them. First up, we have from Parfums De Marley, their new Valaya, and I've shown this on my videos before. This is the bottle. This was custom engraved and painted during a personalization event at Nordstrom. I'll tag my Nordstrom SA Marae. She's amazing. Anytime there's a fragrance event, personalization event, I always post on my Instagram stories, so make sure you follow me on there, by the way. But I had this custom engraved with my name, and then it was painted on the side with these beautiful little flowers and greenery. Those custom engraving painting events are a great time to order for gifts. I've ordered perfume for my mom and my mother-in-law during those events. I get their grandma name engraved on the front. I'm Filipino. In the Philippines, Lola is grandmother, and then my mother-in-law, her name is Emily, but all the grandkids call her Emi. So on the front of their perfumes, I have it engraved with Lola or Emi, and they just love it. It's such a thoughtful custom gift, especially when it's coming from the grandkids. So Valaya has notes of bergamot, mandarin, white peach, orange flower, and vetiver, and it just smells so feminine and pretty. It's a very sweet floral fragrance, and it just is so pretty on. I get so many compliments when I wear this, and even my 4-year-old tells me that I smell so pretty. And then from Cartier, we have the Cartier La Panthère Eau de Toilette. I have already owned this for a while, and when I visited my mom, I was wearing this and she could not stop complimenting me. She loved it so much. At the time I had samples because I was traveling, so I went ahead and gave them to her. And then we were traveling and I went ahead and just bought her one because she liked it so much. And she was so happy when I got this for her. She literally said, it's the best gift I've given her. I mentioned this in another video, but I have given my mom Louis Vuitton bags, and she still said that this is the best gift that she's ever gotten from me. It smells so good. It smells so elegant. This is a fresh floral fragrance. It has notes of gardenia and musk. It just smells so expensive and classy. I don't know how else to describe it. If you like Chanel No. 5, you would like this. It smells fresher than Chanel No. 5. It's not as mature, I would say. It's like a modern, better version of Chanel No. 5, I think. And then sticking with Cartier and custom orders, if you are planning on buying or gifting something from Cartier that comes with one of these travel pouches, I just wanted to give you a heads up that they offer custom travel pouches with your name embossed. My amazing Cartier SA gifted me for Mother's Day, I guess, not just one, not two, but 3 custom Cartier travel pouches with my name. And I just love how the gold looks against the red velvet. It's very similar to LV hot stamping. So I just wanted to give you that heads up that if you were planning on gifting yourself or hinting at someone to gift you something from Cartier, that they also offer this service. Now, if you're looking to gift jewelry for Mother's Day, I have really been enjoying this David Yurman cable bracelet. This is the slimmer version of their classic cable bracelet. I love the timeless design. I like that it is two-tone. You have the silver cable and then yellow gold tips. So it's great for someone who likes to mix metals like me. And because it's a cuff design, it's very easy to take on and off. So it's a great option for someone who's older or maybe has trouble removing and putting on their jewelry by themselves, you know, like with a skinny lobster clasp. And then this next option is something that my kids have gifted me that I really treasure and I think make a great gift idea for someone who is maybe buying Mother's Day gifts on behalf of young kids, or if you like this in general, and it is Lego flowers. Whether you are gifting this or receiving this, if you love Legos, check out the Lego flower bouquets. There are a lot of different options. They have like centerpiece options. My kids got this for me from our trip to Legoland, and it's roses. How cute. They have different, there's like bouquets. They're just such a cute idea. If you're a husband and a dad and you're trying to buy the mom of the family gifts on behalf of the kids, go ahead and pick up one of these Lego flower bouquets. have the kids put it together. It's so thoughtful. It's just so cute. I keep this on display in my little Dior brush holder in my office here. And it's just so cute. And every time the kids see it, they're like, oh, I put that together, and they're so proud. I love this. There's so many different options, really elaborate options. There's like centerpieces available. Yeah, I'll link some options in the description. Another personal option I recommend for Mother's Day is back there, I have my name blanket. That is a custom personalized name blanket from Bauble Bar. There are tons of different styles, different colors available. I have mine in this like blue gradient ombre, Cindy over and over. I got all my kids and my mom their own name blankets in their like favorite colors. It just is such a great gift for Mother's Day because it's very personal. You can put mom on there or their grandma name. So it's just a very cute and personal gift idea. And it's something that they will definitely use. It's very soft and very warm. And then the final item that I gifted my mom for Mother's Day is this matching Hermes mini Pop H necklace. I have mine in orange, and I gifted her the same one in white. Again, I was recently traveling with my mom overseas. We went to Thailand. We visited their like luxury shopping mall. I went shopping in Hermes and I saw the same necklace that I have but in white, which is more suited to her color palette in the Philippines. So I went ahead and gifted it to her. The Hermes mini Pop H necklace retails for about $440 US. So it's relatively inexpensive, again, relative to the rest of the Hermes collection. So it's just a cute little gift that I gave my mom for Mother's Day so that we have matching necklaces. All right, so that is everything that I plan on gifting or have gifted or have received. Let me know what you plan on gifting. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye.